Amazon Business on top in the list of the biggest retailers, Amazon has remained for a few years. Humble beginnings, right? Despite being the largest merchant, Amazon is among the creators of income opportunities that are online. You might market your own products to having an affiliate program which allows you promote their products via networking, blogs, and websites. But as a current or aspiring online entrepreneur, you ought to know by now that it's never as simple as it appears. Especially when promoting your products or people's products on Amazon, rivalry is stiff, unless you're promoting an item that is new. And even then, there are many things you need to do to stay ahead in the game when selling on Amazon. Amazon is a distinctive opportunity. In comparison to websites like Walmart and eBay, it is reported that the amount of person and companies is 4 times more on Amazon. But is high because these numbers may prove to be prosperous. People that know how to give better value excel in it. It's mostly about having a merchandise and figuring out the best ways or choosing. And in all honesty, the numbers with regards denote success in business to a general growth rate, customer retention, and sales. So how exactly do you go about it? What's the ideal way to get the maximum out of your Amazon business efforts? How do you maximize your presence, sales, return clients, and growth rate? Well, here are several suggestions to make your Amazon business successful. Ace it on product quality. If you are looking at making your Amazon business prosperous in the long run, you've to promote an excellent product. Here, terrific means acing it on quality after picking a product that you know your intended market will be intrigued in. Most online entrepreneurs end up closing shop in a few months or years, simply because they chose the wrong merchandise or the quality was questionable. Whenever you meet their needs, the rest will fall in place, possibly even sooner than you anticipated. Additionally, though, how you present your merchandise to your target audience also matters. For the best results, be certain to include convincing images of the item, together with product information and some more info indirectly telling your potential customers why they should purchase it. Whether you are an established Amazon business or you are a third-party internet affiliate marketer, you simply need to strategy Amazon with an excellent product. Use Fulfillment by Amazon. Online selling requires a number of things. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.